Welcome viewers, let us solve this simple Olympiad question on the board. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. Solution to this question: x raised to power x raised to power 2 is equal to 16. The first step I will take, applying the laws of indices, is to multiply both sides by power 2. And that means I am going to have x raised to power x raised to power 2 all multiplied by power 2 equal to 16 raised to power 2. So at this time I have raised both sides of the equation by power 2. Now, by law of indices, that if p is raised to power y also raised to power x, it is equal to p raised to power yx. What it means is that the power inside the bracket will multiply with the power outside the bracket. And when that happens, we are going to apply it here because the law says it is very correct. That is a exponential law in indices. So I will multiply x raised to power 2 by 2, and it's going to give me x raised to power 2 x raised to power 2 equal to 16 raised to power 2. That is what it will be now. But then, if I have x raised to power 2 also x raised to power 2, I can put it like this so that it will now have base and power. What I mean by that is I put this into the bracket to use it and form the base, that is x raised to power 2. Then I still have x raised to power 2 outside the bracket. Therefore, this is now going to be for me x raised to power 2 or raised to power x raised to power 2 equal to, this 16 can be written as 4 raised to power 2. That is 4 to the power 2 is 16. 4 times 4. So I write it as 4 raised to power 2, then or raised to power 2. If this is done, from what we said here, that the two exponents can multiply, it means I can also multiply 2 inside the bracket with the 2 outside the bracket. And that becomes for me x raised to power 2 on x raised to power 2 equal to 4 raised to power 4. At this point in time, I can now apply the law of indices that says a raised to power a is equal to b raised to power b. Okay? That means if I have the base the same with the power, and by the left hand side I also have b the same with the power, we can now say that the bases are equal. That is, a is equal to b. So at this point, my base is x raised to power 2 and the power is x raised to power 2. And by the right hand side, the base is 4 and the power is 4. So the base is 4, the power is 4. By the right, they are the same. The base is x raised to power 2, the power is x raised to power 2 by the left. At this point, we say that the bases are equal, meaning that x raised to power 2 is equal to 4. And if you like, you can also say that the exponent by the left is equal to the power by the right hand side. So we conclude that x raised to power 2 is equal to 4. At this point, the value of x will now be equal to x raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 is equal to 4 raised to power 1 over 2. Which means this will cancel this, giving me x equal to plus or minus the square root of 4. And that is x equal to plus or minus 2. In conclusion, the value of x is equal to 2 or negative 2. Check the result. Check result. So we have finished solving this problem, but we want to replace the value of x that we have gotten into the original equation to see if the right hand side will be equal to the left hand side. Therefore, x raised to power x raised to power 2 is equal to 16. I replace x with 2, positive 2 first. That means 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. Is it equal to 16? Let's do the power side. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. So we have 2 raised to power 4. Is it equal to 16? Yes. 2 raised to power 2 is 16 equal to 16. they are equal. Authenticating the value of x equal to positive 2. Then, checking the negative 2, that means x raised to the power 2 is equal to 16. Therefore, if x is negative 2 or raised to power negative 2 raised to power 2, is it equal to 16? Let's start from here. You see, in indices, any negative number raised to power even number will give us a positive number. What I mean is minus 2 raised to power 2 is set as minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. And minus times minus is plus and 2 times 2 is 4. So here we have minus 2 raised to power positive 4. Is it equal to 16? Like I said, a negative number raised to power even number will give us even number. So this means that minus 2 raised to power 4 is equal to minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2. Minus times minus will give us plus, and the minus times minus here will give us plus. So at the end of the day, we'll have 2 times 2, which is 4, 2 times 2, which is 4, and 4 times 4 will give us 16. So we can now say, therefore, that minus 2 raised to power 4 is positive 16, which is also by the right hand side, positive 16. Authenticating the answer that we have gotten, that the value of x in the given question is equal to positive 2 or negative 2. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Like my videos and also subscribe if it is your first time stopping by. God bless you for watching. Bye.